Oh, ano na? Kita nyo naman. Veggies this time, okay? This time, guys, we cook horseradish tree fruit, moringa, or bunga ng malunggay. Saglitan lang to, guys. Madalian lang to. Okay, sarap po. Tingnan nyo naman. Pag silip-sip yan, pak! Diyos ko, 2 subo ng kanin. Let's start cooking in a pan. Saute garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Bring out the aromatics. Yan. Then, next to it would be the fish sauce or the bagoong. Then, saute rin natin para mawala yung lansa. Then, next to it would be the veggies, the moringa. Sinama ko na dyan yung talong, guys. At the same time, nag-iisa na lang yan sa ref eh. Then, drizzle natin ng anchovies or the chiniwini